With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is Gibbs Helmholtz equation relates the enthalpy, entropy and free energy change of the process at constant pressure and temperature as delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. In general, the magnitude of delta H does not change much with the change in temperature, but the term T delta S changes appreciably. Hence, in some processes, spontaneity is very much dependent on temperature, and such processes are generally known as entropy-driven processes. For the reaction at 298 Kelvin, A2B4 to 2AB2, delta H is given 2 kJ and delta S is 20 Joule per Kelvin at constant pressure and temperature. The reaction will be. So in this question, we are given that Gibbs Helmholtz equation that relates the enthalpy, entropy and free energy of the system for a process at constant temperature and pressure is by this. Now delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Now we are given that magnitude of delta H that does not change much with temperature, but T delta S change with temperature. So in some processes, the spontaneity is dependent on the temperature, and these are known as entropy driven processes. So we are given a reaction that is A2B4 changes to 2AB2, and delta H for this reaction it is given 2 kJ and delta S is given 20 Joule per Kelvin and temperature is given 298 Kelvin. So we have to find out the reaction is spontaneous or non-spontaneous. So the reaction will be spontaneous when delta G come out to be negative, then the reaction will be spontaneous, and when delta G will be positive, then it will be non-spontaneous. Now if we calculate delta G, so that will be calculated by Gibbs Helmholtz equation, that is delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Now delta H is 2 kJ, so it will be 2 into 1000 joules. So it will be 2000 joules. 2000 joules minus temperature is given 298 Kelvin into entropy is given 20 Joule per Kelvin. So this is cancelled by Kelvin, and this is equals to 2000 minus 5960. So 2000 Joule minus 5960 Joule. So this is equals to minus 3960 joules. Now this process will be spontaneous as delta G is negative, so it will be spontaneous. Now it is spontaneous, but it is spontaneous due to entropy because its delta G is negative due to this term is negative T delta S. Delta G is negative because of minus T delta S. This is negative, and this magnitude is higher than that of the positive term delta H because delta H is not supporting the free energy here. It is not decreasing the free energy, it helps in increasing the free energy because it is positive value. So here T delta S minus T delta S is negative, so it is dependent on this term. So this is the entropy driven process. So the correct answer to this question will be it is spontaneous process and is entropy driven. I hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.